Alright, mashallah, the flatbread came out really nice. It is a double O flour dill crust, and then I topped it with Savory goat cheese. The sauce that I made on top has yellow and red cherry tomatoes, and then I charred the yellow bell pepper, put some fresh garlic in there, paprika, and Atlantic sea salt and extra virgin organic olive oil, and voila! Came out really nice, subhanAllah. The smokiness of the aroma from the charred angle is just really wonderful. Yes, mashallah. Alright, this is what it looks like when you cut into it, mashallah. Wow, mashallah. The creaminess of the goat cheese in contrast with the charred yellow bell peppers, the acidity of the tomatoes, the full-bodied flavor of the garlic. Wow, it's just really nice. I really enjoy cooking. Hopefully you can try something like this too, do your thing. Also, the bounciness of the dough is quite remarkable, nice and fluffy. I needed it for quite some time, mashallah.